This is the ancient way of wood turning. It's called a pole lathe, and the people who did this sort of work in England, the Windsor chair makers, they were called bodgers, and that was their full-time work, was out in the woodlands turning the legs, rails and spindles for the Windsor chairs while the timber was still green. It's called a pole lathe because it's got this springy pole, which is the motor, and as you push your foot down it spins towards you, and that's when you make a cut. Then you just let it go back the other way. And the people who did this as a living were as fast as anyone on the machine today with the old Windsor chair legs. I just do it for a demonstration to show people how it's done, but it's basically decorative, and I don't use it very much in making my pioneer bushwork furniture. It's mainly just the shaving horse and the draw knife, which I've got just over here. Yeah, so if you want to have a look at that too, this is the shaving horse. It's the simple tool called a draw knife, and this device here is the best quick release device ever been invented by humankind. And just with pressure from your legs, you clamp that piece of wood in front of you, and you've got instant movement of that while you're sitting down, working while you're sitting down, and it's just the most beautiful, simple and relaxing therapeutic activity you could find. So there's so much potential here in this day and age where technology is depriving so many people of that human need of creating with your own hands, which is not only simple, it's cheap, gives you healthy exercise while you're making something, costing you nothing, compared with going to a gym, paying money for your exercise and making nothing. So that can become a leg for a stool or a chair, and that's my little guide there to make the right diameter for the holes that are made using an auger, which I'll show you in a short while.
So we don't know what we're doing yet, because there's a few people who've got to come back.
So making my first shaving horse from a book I had at Junee High School in '91 has revolutionised my whole life and sent me on a journey which is extraordinary. And in my retired life now, it is a very purposeful activity in helping people and I get into outdoor education places in Victoria where I meet a lot of young people as well who these wilderness activities changes their lives.